Okay, so today we're going to take a look at how we can create a custom view and then how we can associate a custom metadata file with that custom view. It's a little bit tricky, so if you get stuck here, that's perfectly understandable. And what we'll do here first is we'll actually create the custom view. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it inside the following folder, which is custom modules, name of the module, followed by views, and then followed by the following name format. So it's view dot the name of your new view.php. We're going to create it. In this case, we're creating a custom edit view. So that's why we're going to require once the default edit view file, which contains the view edit class. We're dealing with a module that does not have like a custom edit view. Otherwise, we would be requiring that module's existing view file. So, for example, if this module had a views file called view.edit.php, that's the file that we would be extending, not this file. In this case, and very often, it's not going to have its own custom file, so that's why we're extending the default one. So we're requiring it, and then we're extending the class contained here. We're going to create a class, which is going to be the name of the module. That's the format, followed by the word view, followed by your views custom, by your custom views name. So that's always the format, very important. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create a class called pre-display. And it's actually inside this class that we're going to be defining the custom metadata file that should be used. And the way that we do it is, first of all, we define the path where our custom metadata file is going to be. And then we instantiate a new object of the edit view class. Then we add our Smarty template. Here it's very important. We define what the view name is. So here it's all lowercase. Basically, you'll see afterwards where this name needs to be registered afterwards. But for now, okay, so just put this name here, whatever name you chose. And then here we're doing the setup stage. So the setup stage is, you can actually see it here. So the setup stage, it basically, we're going to set up our edit view, basically, yeah. So, and here you can see the stuff that it requires. So the module followed by the bean, so the focus bean, followed by the location of the metadata file, followed by the template, the template used for this view. This is the default template. True, this is, oops. So true is basically, it has something to do with like a custom thing that they did for one of the modules to accommodate one of the modules. So here we're going to put true, and here we're going to put once again the name of the metadata file. So here's the full path, and here's just the name by itself. So this is going to allow us to use the custom metadata file with this view. Unfortunately, we're not done yet. The next thing that we need to do is we need to actually register that view. And the way that we do it is we create a file in custom extension modules, name of your module, ext action view map, and then we give it the file name is going to be the name of your view, and the action view map, what I do it, this is the format that I use, is just the name of the view, name of the view, and this registers the view in the system. And so the next step after this, after the name is registered, we need to do a final piece of work here, and that's to work inside the metadata file itself. So we'll open up the metadata file. What I did is I actually copied an existing metadata file and and renamed it to what we specified here, right? You see this name here, it has to match your metadata file, basically. So this metadata file here, the following modifications need to be made. First of all, we need to change the very first array item name. This is going to be the name of your custom view, the one that you registered here, and the one that appears here, right? So that's the first step. The second step is we need to add this right under the this part here, right under the template meta. And the reason for that is that for some reason it doesn't include the save button in edit view. So if you have the save button, if you have all your buttons, you don't need to add this, but for some reason there's this glitch with the custom edit views that it does not contain the edit button. And once you are done, your view is ready to go using the new custom metadata file. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you found the video helpful, if it helped you in any way, please leave a like and subscribe, because I'll be making more of these videos in the future. Thank you.